Alright, so that is, let me see if I can do this. That is west, southwest. And they just kind of ebb and flow. They're really gone down. But at the zenith, you can see there's still some craziness happening. And then if I turn it so you can kind of watch it, the bands go down to the east and the southeast. I know there's some beautiful colors in this. I think there's red. So anybody watching this must understand I'm colorblind. But this is actually with video, so for me this is like this big thing rather than with time lapse or with just a photo where you could kind of enhance it. This is like just the ability to see red live while you're watching these is this really spectacular thing for me. I think it's probably just ho-hum maybe for others, but it's just so remarkable. And here's the other cool thing. We have a quarter moon. And so I don't know what they estimate that is like what percentage of light pollution that provides, but without that we'd have the aurora. Oh, just when you think I'll go back to the east. Now all this is happening over here that wasn't happening before. And I have no idea. I mean, it almost looks like maybe the sun's rising over there. If I just watch it for a moment, you'll see it all shift. It's so remarkable. If I can hold this camera steady enough. This is an iPhone 15. Oh, it's really starting to light up again. I'm so fortunate. Oh, wow. And then here's the bands again. So this would be called a substorm. These are coming down. And what's beautiful about these, I wish I could explain this better, but if you've watched a 3D movie where it feels like it's coming out at you and gonna grab you and then it'll kind of go back in, some of these little substorms come down and they feel like they're coming down so close to you and then they go back up. Or they spin off down to the south. Oh, this is very cool. So you can see how active this is. I think this was like a KP8 to KP7 and like a G4 storm. And look at how bright this is. It's hard to just explain to people. Like, you can see all around. It's so bright. If I can slowly capture, oh, I wish I could capture this so much better. I can get further distance. Because I want to show you how it's this 360 pattern around, and then once again to the zenith. It's like the starburst at the zenith. And then it goes back down on the other sides. I don't even know how to. I'm laying on my back trying to twist around to show you this. Now we're southeast, east. Now all that was over here, just crazy bright before, it's kind of gone. And now it's moved to the north. And you can see even above the moon, which is directly south, essentially. If that wasn't there, you would see that this is a 360 degrees all around. And there's, again, the colors that are so cool. Look at that. Oh. People. I can't tell you how many people I've tried to get to watch these. It's okay. Cool. Look at that. Oh, I never see color like this. Ever. Wow, it's so striking. Isn't that amazing? Okay, I better shut this down and move it into another type of video. That's 10 minutes of me just, look at that color. It's kind of jonesing on this. Beautiful.